Greek-style chili on pita chips. We have some cubano pepper, some onion. Of course, you can use bell pepper if that's what you have in your fridge or on hand. And I just added some garlic. Once the peppers and onions sweat out, then we add the garlic. We don't want to add the garlic too soon or it gets bitter and it browns too quickly and the flavor's not right. So salt and pepper, peppers and onions, little olive oil. Then we add in our garlic a bit on down the road, okay? Then we're going to just pick up that first bit of fond. Now we're going to add the meat to the pot. It's 2 pounds for every 4 to 6 adult servings for a pot of chili. I like a combination because it's Greek. This is a Greek style dish. I like a combo of half beef, half lamb. I can't see you. You can use all lamb. You can use all beef. You can use all turkey. I will never know. So do as you will. Add some protein. You can use plant-based. And now once we start breaking that down and crumbling it, we've got to spice it up, right? So we're gonna add some kosher salt or fine sea salt, a little black pepper, and then here's the magic, Cincinnati chili powder, which you can buy online. Now you can use any chili powder blend you have on hand at home. That's fine, because we're gonna add layers of flavor that will make this taste authentic regardless. If you already have chili powder at home, great, use it. So to about 3 tablespoons, I'm gonna add 2/3 of a palmful or about 2 teaspoons of dry oregano. You can also use about a tablespoon of fresh oregano if you prefer. We're gonna add about a half teaspoon of cinnamon, a little bit like a 1/4 teaspoon of allspice, and then we put in a fat pinch of cayenne or esplet or any spicy pepper you like. Boop! Into the pot it goes, and then it gets sexy. So we have this insanely delicious Greek-style chili, AKA Cincinnati chili sauce, working in our big old Dutch oven, flipping around some tomato paste. Once you wake it up, then you can proceed to add whatever you're gonna add next. In our case, we're gonna add some stock, a couple of cups of stock. Then we're going to add fire-roasted, crushed or diced tomatoes, a 14-ounce can, so about a couple cups, about 2 cups of that. And we're gonna add 1 can of red kidney beans. Now, there's 2 ways to serve this. We can do a giant casserole, so you fill a big old casserole with a giant size of pita chips and pour the chili on top, or put the chips on top, up to you. I think this is so fun. Watch this go down. We bought baby bags, I know, of little pita chips. And now this is clever. Cut it down the side and it's wider and easier to eat. Uh-huh. Now you see where we're going, right? Now we're going to fill the sack with the chili. It's amazing. It's like a miracle. And then we're gonna take the feta cheese. Uh-huh. You see how I'm blowing off all the spoons? I'm just getting my paws right in there. And the hot peppers, and the onions, and the chopped fresh parsley, and the Kalamata olives, and the tomatoes,